Hello everyone, welcome to Root Daily TV. Today I shall be baking homemade meat pie. Firstly, let us prepare our pastry. We need plain flour, baking powder, salt, egg, butter. I will be using warm water for this particular recipe. If you would prefer to use cold water instead, please feel free to do so. Right now, I'm putting egg. After putting egg, I'll add the butter. After adding the butter, I will use the blender to mix the dough. I will mix the dough until it's soft. So the dough is mixing. I will allow it to mix properly until it's soft, until it's softened. So as you can see, the dough is ready. So I will cover it and put it in the fridge to allow it rest for approximately half an hour before baking. Meanwhile, let us prepare the fillings for this recipe. I'm using potatoes, carrots, and minced beef. I washed the potatoes and carrots before chopping. So I'm chopping the potatoes into cubes to allow it to cook evenly. I'm chopping the potatoes. After chopping the potatoes, I'll chop the carrots. I'm cutting the carrots. I will chop both the carrots and potatoes in cubes to allow it to cook properly. Meanwhile, I've already preheating the oven. The oven is on at 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm using minced beef. I'm cooking the minced beef with extra virgin oil. I'll add onions first. I chopped onions and garlic. So I'm adding the minced beef. I will steam it in the extra virgin oil. I'm turning it. And I'm adding the chopped garlic and onion. I'm adding some seasoning for proper taste. I'm using nutmeg, thyme, and all-purpose seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. It depends on your preferences. So I will stir very well. To allow all the ingredients to combine perfectly. You can use any seasoning of your choice. It doesn't matter any kind of seasoning you use, as long as it's what you want. So I'm stirring it. Now I will add the vegetables. I'm adding all the chopped vegetables, carrots and potato. As I said earlier, you can use peas, bell pepper, any vegetable of your choice. You can use any vegetable of your choice to make your own meat pie. So I add a little water to enable it to cook properly. So now I'm going to cover the pot. Now it's cooked. It's ready. So I mashed the potato and the carrots for optimal results. So they cook evenly during baking. Now I'm taking the dough. So I will prepare the dough. I'm taking a bit of dough. Then I will press it and flatten it so that I can put the filling, the vegetables inside. So I'm flattening it. You can flatten it properly as you like. Some people like it very thin. If you like your pastry very thin, you can do it. Make it very thin so that it will be soft, and add more vegetables inside. If you add more vegetables inside, it's very good. So I'm going to put the vegetables inside. I'm spreading egg inside before putting the vegetables. I'm spreading the eggs. Then I'll put the vegetables inside the pastry. If you like more vegetables, you can add more vegetables inside. It's very good. Then I'm making a shape now. And I'm using this to make a shape for the meat pie. So look at the shape for the meat pie. Look at the shape. I will put it in the oven. The oven has already been preheated. It's on 180 degrees Celsius. And the oven is on. It's been preheated. So I'm covering the oven. And now the meat pie has been heated for 10 minutes. Now I'm applying egg on top of the meat pie. After applying the egg on top of the meat pie, I will close it to allow it to heat for more 10 or 15 minutes. It depends. I didn't use the timer, but I know when the pastry when it's golden, you will know that it's ready. So look at now, it's ready. It's very golden. It's ready. Look at that. It's done. Look at it, it's ready. So I want to test this one. I'm using Fanta. Come and enjoy with me. I'm using Fanta to test this. And look at it. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot now. So soft and nice. The texture is very soft. Thank you for watching. Please watch other video. Bye.